The Thecon Stumpex auger moves slowly, does not send wood chips flying, making it easy to clean up after removing the stump. Welcome to today's video. Let's admire the powerful excavator that pushes down large trees, cleans them from the roots, and effectively expands the land. Considered a true monster, the Thecon Stumpex is a slow-motion rotary drill with a whopping capacity of approximately 36,000 ftLbs. With an engine capacity of only about 50 horsepower, the Bobcat E50 excavator is powerful enough to push down large trees impressively. Amazingly, the excavator can knock down a large tree in just one push. Scott did the unthinkable with the Kubota KX040 excavator by clearing brush and trees from the pond dam in a short time, transforming it from a covered area into a clean and brand new space. Amazingly, the Kubota KX057 excavator quickly completed clearing this small forest in just one day thanks to its superior power. Stump Beaver did an incredible job removing a 1M diameter oak stump, taking just 2.5 hours to grind away 2 inches below ground, and the ground is now perfectly prepared for seeding. The power and versatility of the Kubota KX0574 excavator when clearing tree roots makes reclamation work simple and quick. His 1,986 cat 416 wheel loader cleared about 2 hectares of land with admirable power and efficiency. I really enjoyed this ditch cleaning project. Removing some of the remaining tree stumps was a big step forward in improving and allowing water to flow more efficiently. With an impressive digging depth of up to 4 m, they chose to use a Yanmar B50 excavator to clear the trees, preparing for the new driveway extension. Every time the excavator pushes down a large tree, I can't help but admire its power and advanced technology, bringing outstanding efficiency to construction projects. These powerful machines not only remove trees and stumps efficiently, but also ensure optimal site clearance. With superior power, Bobcat excavators quickly expand land, turning dense areas into spacious and clean spaces. Large tree stumps, seemingly unshakable, were easily pulled out of the ground by excavators. How impressive! Amazingly, the Dipper Fox Crusher 850 Pro spindle on the UCB excavator can destroy up to 162 tree stumps in 1 hour. It was impressive to see a Komatsu 200 excavator quickly removing the remaining pine trees to prepare the site for a factory on the outskirts of Mexico City. He happily shared about removing bushes and pulling large tree stumps with the Kubota KX1213 super machine with hydraulic thumb, transforming the area from a bushland into a dream parking spot. It's amazing the sharpness of the KX040 cultivator in clearing slow-growing trees to clear ground for planting new trees. Using an excavator not only saves time and effort, but also ensures incredible efficiency in clearing and expanding the site. The Fay SCL High Stump Cutter is truly powerful, able to clean up to more than 50 stumps in just 1 hour. It was unbelievable that a large tree stump seemed impossible to move, but with the power of the Kubota KX0404 excavator, after a while of struggling, it cleared the ground. Let's watch this powerful excavator cut down some trees in the playground. He removed a large tree near his house using an excavator instead of a saw, ensuring the tree fell in the safest direction. The Kubota KX121 excavator is starting work on a new piece of land, vigorously clearing some trees in preparation for the upcoming construction. Excavators are truly advanced machines that can knock down large trees quickly. On beautiful ground, it was a pity to have to remove dead pine trees with a Kubota U35 mini excavator. Thanks to its power, everything happened very quickly and cleanly. Indeed, the scene of a large tree being knocked down by two excavators is truly impressive and powerful. It's incredible to see a tree puller that can clear an acre of land in just about 5 hours. Its power and effectiveness are truly astonishing and admirable. After a tense struggle, the wheel seemed unable to move. The machine eventually brought down the large group of trees, demonstrating unwavering strength and perseverance. The big tree in the garden not only reduced the space, but also did not create the shade he wanted. Therefore, he decided to hire an excavator to remove that tree, creating conditions for planting new trees and creating a cooler green space. The scene of an excavator knocking down a large tree on the edge of a high ditch is beautiful, demonstrating the strength and ingenuity of technology in working in difficult environments. The Titan Stump Bucket is an effective solution for removing small to medium-sized trees quickly and easily. Its flexible operation and power help save time and effort during work. In Queensland, Australia, they cleared a large area of land using 2 D8 bulldozers with giant chains. Wherever they pulled the chain, the trees fell, quickly turning the forest into a vacant lot. To operate the bulldozer in this difficult job, the driver needs to be experienced and very careful. After a series of fallen trees, the D9T bulldozer with a home and rake quickly cleaned up the ground and prepared it for the next phase of work to take place. I am really impressed with the tremendous power that the Caterpillar D109 bulldozer delivers. It easily clears huge rows of pine trees in a short time. With its outstanding capacity, it's amazing how quickly this tiller can remove half an acre of pine trees, providing space for another big project. What needs to be done is to clear this small forest in just 2 days. With the Ford 555 wheel loader, it becomes much easier. With a clamp head design, the precision manufacturing 537 eliminator tree tractor pulls out trees as easily as weeding. With its outstanding capacity, it's amazing how quickly this tiller can remove half an acre of pine trees, providing space for another big project. What needs to be done is to clear this small forest in just 2 days. With the Ford 555 wheel loader, it becomes much easier. With a clamp head design, the precision manufacturing 537 eliminator tree tractor pulls out trees as easily as weeding. Let's look at removing a large tree from the perspective of an excavator operator. I think you will like this.